Yo, what is up, everyone? S197 Rico, and we are back with another video. We are currently getting the Mustang details right now because there is a possibility we'll be going to a end of the year car meet.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, we're currently getting to the car meet. There was a lot of CHP, so we had to leave from the last location. Alright guys, so unfortunately I've been getting bad luck with my phone mount. It keeps dying on me. But we finally got here to the car meet. 2 locations later, there was a lot of CHP. I'm not sure why.
Like a 78 or 79?
But we got a Scat Pack 392. We got a BMW. Ooh, that thing looks nice. Ooh, this Coyote looks nice.
No, I saw it and I was like, oh shit, that car doesn't have fucking.
Ooh, that red looks really nice. Sounds really nice. Ooh, this is a nice little car right here. I forgot the name of it, but if you guys can comment down below. And of course we got the Mustang right here. Got another Charger. We've got a nice Mercedes truck. He say he's going to car or?
No, if we do it again.
Oh, if we do it again? OTR shit. Motherfucker got a whole RTR in there. Is that a Drake bill? You got a Drake bill in